got a piece of marble here. There's some dirt, and I'm going to first start out using just microfiber towel with just some water on it. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. You don't want our marble to air dry. You want to use a towel. That here it's cleaned up a lot. There's still really dirty over here. Hopefully you can see that. Let me try zooming in. See the dirt right here, and then here's after. What I like to do is just start out with, you don't have to go nuclear right off the bat. Water can do a lot. There's a ring. Water. Probably was a plan on this. Let's see this. Take that off. And it does. Excellent. Yeah, it cleans right up. Not all of it. There's some residual. Doesn't want to come off right there. This might be stained. I'm gonna try cleaning. Well, let's see here. I'm gonna mix up some baking soda and water and try going over that spot and see how it works. So I've mixed up a cleaner, and it's 3 tablespoons of baking soda to 1 quart of water. I'm going to put a little bit on this rag. Baking soda has abrasiveness to it, so you don't want to go crazy. Let's see if it'll take off. This one looks like a possible stain. And it does not. Right there, it doesn't even touch it. So, next thing, this is more abrasive, is a magic eraser. It's a foam, but it's probably equivalent to about 10,000 grit sandpaper, so it will scratch. You want to be really careful. So I'm going to put it into this baking soda solution. Just go on it really lightly. If you can see it right there, there's still a little bit stain. And that is not going away. So what I'm going to do is clean off the rest of this with just water, see how things look, then go over with baking soda, and go over with the magic eraser, and we'll see what the end results look like. There's a rust stain right here. I'm going to use the magic eraser that has a little bit of baking soda on it. Not pushing real hard. And there it goes. Gone. Got this cleaned up real well. There still is some little bit of a stain. There's probably a plant on here, and there's a stain right in here and here. Scratch. There's a scratch right here, but it's so minimal that I'm not gonna worry about it. That cleaned up real well. Well, be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. Have a great day.